How to use Google Books. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can use and access Google Books. So in order to start, the first thing that you can do is open any web browser of your choice. So I have launched my Google Chrome for the same, and then once you're inside your Google Chrome, you can simply click onto this Google Apps option or button over the top right side, just towards the left of your profile picture. Now, once you click onto this Google Apps, you can see a variety of different applications. So you can simply scroll down, and from here you can click on books. Now, this will lead you to Google Books, and then from here you can search for any books that you want. Apart from that, if you are on any other web browser, simply go to the search bar and search for Google Books and hit the enter button, and you will see this website, that is books.google.co.in or books.google.com. Simply click onto this and then search for any book that you want. So let me simply search for Harry Potter, and then I will click on this search button, and as you can see, it has found me the various Harry Potter books from different publishers. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.